Hey guys, this is me Sangram and you are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Welcome to a new job update video in this channel. So today in this video there is a big update from a huge company. The budget is also good for this job. Main part of the job is that any fresher can apply for this job and minimum qualification should be the graduate. So if you are graduate from any stream, you can apply for this job. If you are interested for this job, please watch the entire video. In the video, I have mentioned every single details of the job, like the job requirement, the job role. Also, I have mentioned how to apply for this specific role. If you are new to this channel and want to get regular job updates, career updates, course updates, everything from a single channel, you can subscribe the channel. Also, enable the bell notification to get notified from this channel. So without wasting any time, let's dive into our video. Hi guys, this is me Sangram. You are watching Career Adda with Sangram. Today we have a new job update from PWC company. This job update is for the commerce graduate and postgraduate student. Otherwise, if you have completed your MBA in any discipline, you can also apply to this role. So the role is associate. It's transfer pricing role. Location, they have mentioned two locations. One is Hyderabad and second one is Kolkata. It's a full-time role. Line of services, they have mentioned tax. So if you are from finance background, if you have completed BCom, MCom, or if you have completed MBA in finance, then it will be a plus for you. Here they have provided all the details about the job. They have also mentioned the job description and summary. From here you can gather all the points, and based on the points you can design your resume as well. They have also mentioned the key responsibilities. So from there you can gather all the key responsibilities and you can mention accordingly in your resume. Here also they have provided to qualify for this role you must have, they have mentioned some points. This area is very important for you guys because from there you will capture all the skills and you will mention these all in your skills section of your resume. After that they have mentioned education qualification. They have mentioned bachelor degree or master degree in commerce or economics or MBA in any discipline. So this is all about the job update. This is not a fresher's job. Apply for this role, at least 1 year experience is required. So here they have mentioned years of experience, associate 1 to 2 years of overall experience is required. So if you have at least 1 year of experience after completion of your degree, it will be benefited for you and you will be selected for this role. So that's all about the job update. You can find the job link in the description area as usual. And during apply to this role, if you face any difficulties or problem, you can DM me on my Instagram or you can comment below so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye. So this is all about today's job update. If you find anything informative in this video, please do a like and subscribe to this channel and support us. Also, if you have any query or any kind of discussion, you can follow me in Instagram. My Instagram ID will be present in the description box, so you can directly DM me for any kind of discussion. Also, I will provide all the job links in the description box. You can directly redirect to the apply page in the job portal. So for today, I am signing out. Take care. Bye.